Hey guys, and welcome back to TechForce. So today we'll be taking a look at the Reolink E1 Zoom camera. Now this camera looks very similar to the TP-Link Tapo camera I reviewed a little while ago, but how does it compare in terms of the video quality? Well, let's find out. Now let's begin with what comes inside the box. So we do get quite a bit. We get the camera itself, the charger, which is specific to this product. Then we also get a few bits to assist with mounting the camera if that's something you wish to do. And finally, of course, we get the manuals. Now, initially, when you set up the camera, you simply have to plug it in and download the app. And through the app, there's actually a very secure setup process, which I thought was pretty cool and something I haven't actually seen before. Now, this camera actually costs about £60, which is significantly greater than the TP-Link Tapo camera, which was only £25. And comparing the video quality and the features, I would say they are essentially identical, aside from one or two additional features that the E1 Zoom has over the Tapo camera, which we will come on to later. Now, through the app, the E1 Zoom allows you to do tons of different things, such as allow two-way voice calls, where you can talk from your phone through the camera to another person who will be near the camera. This is a feature which the Tapo camera has, so it isn't a huge benefit between the two. And then we also have the ability to rotate the camera up, down, or sideways, which is something we can also do with the Tapo camera. And then we can also view past footage, and we can set off an alarm which can be activated when motion is detected. So all these features aren't anything special for the E1 Zoom and have been included in the TP-Link Tapo camera. But then there are two features which are completely unique. So the E1 Zoom has the ability to clip out a specific frame which allows you to zoom into a certain segment of the video. Then there's another unique feature which allows the camera to control the ability of zooming. And you can actually zoom into something very far, especially compared to the TP-Link camera, where you can't actually zoom in very well, only zoom in on the screen through the visual feed, but the camera itself doesn't physically zoom in, whereas for the E1 Zoom, it actually does. So if these two extra features are very important to you, then I would definitely recommend choosing the Reolink E1 Zoom camera over the TP-Link Tapo camera. Other than these two features, everything is very similar. They're both designed similarly, and they both require a micro SD card, which isn't provided. Now, in terms of the overall security, Reolink are a dedicated security company who specialize in security cameras, whereas TP-Link generally produce more items for networking, so they aren't necessarily the best for security products. However, the Tapo camera is still a very good camera and certainly worth considering if you are looking to buy a high quality security camera. Okay, now finally, mounting the camera is very quick and easy. The wall plugs and screws are all provided, and the mounting bracket is also provided alongside a sticker which allows you to accurately position the two holes that must be drilled. And it also outlines the drill bit needed and necessary depth you need to go to. So Reolink have made the installation process very straightforward for those of you that actually wish to mount the camera. Now, like the Tapo camera, this is an indoor camera, so it can't be mounted outside, but you can position it to record a window or a door, but it will only be able to record through the window during the day and is unable to actually record through the windows at night. This is the same for pretty much all security cameras. So if you did want to record outside, you should get a video doorbell or a dedicated outdoor camera, which Reolink actually do offer. And I will be reviewing the Argus 3 next week, so stay tuned for that video. Okay, so overall, the Reolink E1 Zoom camera is a very good camera. But is it worth buying? Well, compared to the TP-Link Tapo camera, which is under half the price and has essentially all of the same features, I would say there are better alternatives. But then again, if you are looking to buy other cameras, I would go with the Reolink E1 Zoom, because you can then purchase additional cameras from Reolink, and they do offer some of the best cameras on the market for pretty good prices. So by purchasing several cameras from the same brand, it means that you can view all of the different camera angles through the single app that Reolink offers, and it just works out better in my opinion, rather than buying one camera from TP-Link and then a couple from Reolink. But at the end of the day, it is up to you, and well, the TP-Link Tapo camera is far cheaper, so it would make sense to buy it instead of this one. Okay, so that's it for this video. Now, if you're interested in either this product, the E1 Zoom, or the TP-Link Tapo camera, go down to the description below and find the necessary link to go purchase the camera of your choice. And whilst you're there, leave a comment and let me know some of your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.